Are you struggling with creating sitemaps and wireframe for the web projects? Let me show you how Relume.io can save you hours of work. Relume.io is an AI-powered tool that helps you generate sitemaps and wireframe in minutes. It is perfect for designers, developers, and teams looking to speed up their workflow. One of the benefits is the fact that it saves you time, it ensures consistency, and provides a solid foundation for your web projects. How to get started? You go to Relume.io, sign up or you log in, and you explore the clean and intuitive dashboard. Some of the key features are the sitemap generators, the wireframe library, and the AI-powered suggestion. So how to create a sitemap? You now click on sitemap generator, enter your website purpose or key pages, maybe like your home, about, and services. You can use the AI to suggest additional pages or structures. Customize the sitemap by dragging and dropping elements. Then export the sitemap to your team or clients. Now, if you want to create a wireframe, all you need to do is just navigate to the wireframe library, choose from the pre-designed components, either header, footer, or CTAs. Then use the drag and drop editor to assemble your wireframe. Customize the layouts, colors, and text to match your project needs. Then export the wireframe for further design or development. So for best practices, you can use Relume.ai to inspire your sitemap and wireframe structure. You can share your sitemap and wireframe to your team for feedbacks. Then you can use Relume.io to make it easier for tweaks and refine your designs. So if you're ready to streamline your web design process or speed up your web design process, head over to Relume.io and give it a try. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next video.